So the makhraj, the main makhraj is the tongue. So it is pronounced from the tip of the tongue, from the top side of the tip, and the bottom edges of the top incisors is similar to the one we studied. Okay, it's quite similar to that one. It's actually same makhraj, but the characteristic, the sifat, is different. So that's why we have a different sound. Okay, so what we do is we explain that first. We're doing right. Okay, so the tip of the tongue, so we have, this is the tip, and we have in the tip we have the top side. So we take the top side of the tip of the tongue and the bottom edges of and they are touching the bottom edges of the top two incisors when we are pronouncing them. Okay, if you see another diagram, so there's the top side of the tip of the tongue, and this one is the bottom edges of the two top incisors. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll explain this in 3D model, so I think that will make it a bit more clear. Okay, see. Okay, so this is the tip of the tongue, yeah, and we will, okay, at the top part of the tip of the tongue, that will be touching the bottom edges of the front top two incisors when we are pronouncing the word dhal.